Okay, as a final step before we publish this to HTML5, we're going to go and add a table of contents in. So let's go back to the very first page. There's our cover page, and we'll insert it after this. So we will now go to Home ribbon, Page Template, and there does happen to be a table of contents one in this template set. So we'll pick that and just quick insert it. And that will automatically set that up. Let's close out this for now with a table of contents for this document. And you notice we have on page 3 instructions, and on page 4 we have an interactive parts list. Now we might want to go change these titles to be a little more relevant for our document here. And so basically the table of contents is keying on the fact that that's a header 1, heading 1, and the other is a heading 1, and it's placing that into the table of contents, you know, like Word or something would do. So this part here is the battery or the motor removal. That makes sense. And so if we go to the next page, we now have an interactive parts list. Let's just call this motor replacement. Is what we're really doing on this one. And so we now have 2 pages. If I go back to our table of contents, then we click this, we can right click it to update the table of contents. And it's going to go through and look for those heading 1s and 2s. And it now is updated with that. And if we go to take the edit mode off, this is also a clickable table of contents, and this will be clickable once we go to HTML5 as well. So if we wanted to jump straight to our motor replacement, we can just click on the motor replacement, and there we are on that page of the document.